What's up with y'all? Y'all wanna learn something? Come truck with us. We here. Oh, we need sledgehammer, bags. Let's get it. Yeah, so
Reporting live.
you know, this was full yesterday.
Yeah.
We cleaned it out.
Mm-hmm.
We put on Facebook Marketplace, stuff is for free. People came and got some things. As you can see, some people grabbed stuff now. You can keep going through. We just put on a little.
Oh, sorry.
Stuff. So yeah, $3.99 on Marketplace. What is it, 2 birds with 1 stone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What's up?
I think it's up here. Or yeah, so we're going to the landfill spot. We dump it.
Turn right, then turn right.
Boss man Bill.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so in certain situations, you know, you might not be able to sell it. Throw it in the back and go junk it. There go the fee station right there. That's a good thing right there. That's a little price.
That's it.
I think this right here.
They got a whole little. Why is it so secure around here?
That's the weight. So they see the weight. They put the weight of the truck, and then when you kick it out, you come back there. And you pay it like that. So then you pull up, he gonna weigh it. He gonna give us a ticket. We got some junk in the back. We got the junk in the back. You need to wait? Junk? Yeah.
Okay, you got junk in the trunk, huh?
Exactly.
See how much our weight come out to.
We can do cash.
Cash, that's fine.
You gotta be a real man to get out here and work with your hands. This ain't for the weak.